So guys, I'm here outside. Hi, it's Vida here. Yeah. So guys, I'm here outside. I'm checking all the chicken, but my husband already checked for them. But I'm here so I can film a video for them. Well, we got snow all around. So let's see what the chicken doing in here. So that's the tunnel. Yeah, that's their tunnel to go to the other coop. Okay, so let's see. Let's call them. Come here. Come on. Come on. So that's them. Look at the tunnel. Yeah, my husband's idea for that. That we put some tunnel for them. So they can just go to this other side, chicken run. And then that's a chicken run also, but it's kind of hope coop. We build the hope coop, so they can stay there also. So they just do run to the side and then to the other side also. So everybody's doing fine. Yep, they're eating snow, as you can see. Hello. Yep. So everybody's following her. Yep. Here's the other one too. Hello. Come here. So look at the other one over there. Hi. So that looks like their tunnel, as you can see. You just go to the other side. Yep. While I'm here, guys, we got rabbit in here also. Yep. We got rabbit. So the chicken is still eating their snow. Yep, they're still eating the snow, as you can see over here. Wait, it's kinda, they're not in here anymore, so let's kinda not zoom that in. Come here. Come on. So look at this, guys, how deep the snow, right? Or the inches of the snow. Look at that. So it's more than that, so a lot in here. But this one, guys, we're using a metal roofing. Yeah, that's a metal roof. As you can see, it's a metal. So we're not using a tarp. Before we used tarp, but now my husband decided that we put some metal roofing so it's easy. And we cover this with a plastic all around so no air can go through. And also our duck cage before, so now we put a chicken now. So they got four chicken over there. The Easter eggers, that's how they called. So all the sacks that for the chicken feed, we use it to cover all around until over the side, until over that side. So they're still in here, right? Come on, in here. Come on. Okay, it's time to get in. It's time to get in. It's time. So how cute is that? That they just go to the other side. Yeah, so they're enjoying. So I'm gonna show you to this side what it looks like. So I'm going there right now. So let's see. I hope they're still in there, so you can see, guys. And that's them. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. What do you want? How? What do you want? So everybody's here. So the other one is over there too. So come here. Oh. Hi. So the other one is came out. Yep, they got how you call it, trap door, and this one is opening also, and then that one over there is a trap door also. Once the weather is negative, so we just lock that over there because that's the shed that's inside the shed, so they just stay there and then they lay egg over there too. Hello. Hi. Hola. What are you doing in here, huh? Well, let's see if we can find some worm because they love worm, guys. Hi. Hi, everybody. Come here in here. Come on. Come in here. Hi. Hi. So everybody's here. Hello. I don't have any. Yeah, I don't have any. So we put some wood chips for them before we use straw, but now we use wood chips. So it's easy to flip that, guys, and then I can use that for my garden also. So it's easy. My husband always did it. Uy, stop picking her. Yeah, so hi. Hi everybody. So everybody's doing good. And hello. So it's just like they got chicken run in here, both the chicken run. This one we put some plywood, as you can see they got plywood over there, but it's ruined, I think. And then this one is totally the soil, yeah. And then we put some wood chips, so everybody's doing okay. And then they just pick everywhere. Yep. So let's go to the other side. Hello. Hi. Hi. In here, in here, in here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. So I'm gonna take you a picture. Good job. Hi. Hi. Uh, so so hi everybody. Hello. So let's go, guys. Okay, let's go to this side. So we got gate in here. Okay, and then that's them over there. Yeah, that's our chicken also. Okay. Hello. Hello, baby. So that's them. As you can see, we got 2 blacks and 2 white. So that's the new chicken, but some of them they lay egg already, so that's why we got a blue egg. Then at the very end, guys, I'll show you the blue egg. Okay, so I think, guys, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. So it's welcome. Bye. So guys, so that's it. Bye bye. It's them over there. Oh.